behalf of our parents, Tom and Lois Ames, and the entire Ames family, we want to warmly welcome you to the 2025 Spruce Mountain Cattle Sale. We know many of you have traveled from far away, so please help yourself to plenty of food and enjoy your evening. Our annual cattle sale is always something we look forward to because it's a chance to catch up with old friends and make new ones. But tonight is even more special. We are here to celebrate the 80th birthday of our father, Tom Ames, the proud patriarch of our family. All right, let's eat and party and have some fun.
Welcome to Spruce Mountain Ranch. I'm Chuck Brose, the manager of the cattle operation here. I want the best cattle that we can get, and so that's what we've strived for, and I think we've been pretty successful at it. We'll have people from all over the United States will buy some of these cattle. They'll go from coast to coast. Obviously, it's a beautiful place to work. It's nice to go to work to a place like this every day. So, yeah, I'm pretty lucky.